Legendary!
Welcome to Math Legend Channel, the channel wherein you can learn so many things regarding our subject. Are you ready? Sit back and relax as you listen and watch my video presentation. Ang focus natin ngayon ay ang Math 10 Quarter 1 Module 3, which is all about arithmetic means and nth term of arithmetic sequence. Aalamin natin kung paano ba ang pagkuha ng nth term ng sequence at pag-insert ng arithmetic means. The most essential learning competency is to determine arithmetic means, nth term of an arithmetic sequence, and sum of the terms of a given arithmetic sequence. At the end of my presentation, you are expected to write a formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, use the formula to find the nth term or unknown term of an arithmetic sequence, define arithmetic means, and determine arithmetic means of a sequence. This is the formula that we are going to use to find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. So your a sub n, it refers to the nth term in the given sequence. Kung panpira na term ang aton ginhahanap or ginaaro, or it simply means the last term of the given sequence. So your a sub 1, it refers to the first term of the given sequence, ang unahan na term sa sequence. N refers to the number of terms in the sequence, kung pirata ng kabugos ang terms sa sayo na sequence. 1 is a constant number. Ibig sabihin, permanente ito siya. Dira iton mababag-o o maliliwat. D, it refers to the common difference, an fixed number na gin-a-add para makuha ang sunod na term. Para mas maintindihan ang atong topic, let's have first an example. So we are going to find the 125th term of the arithmetic sequence given the first term, which is 4, and negative 5 as the common difference. So just simply substitute the values of your n, a sub 1, and d. Given our formula, which is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d, aton siya igsusubstitute ang value ni n ni a sub 1 nga ni d. So magiging a sub 125 is equal to your a sub 1, which is 4, plus your n, which is 125, minus 1 times the common difference, which is negative 5. So that is equivalent to 4 plus the quantity 125 minus 1 is 124 times your negative 5. So 4 plus 124 times negative 5 is negative 620. So 4 plus negative 620 is equal to negative 616. Therefore, our a sub 125 is equal to negative 616. Example is, kukuhaon ta ang 20th term sa sequence na 2, 4, 6, 8. This 3 dots, it represents an ellipsis, which means that the pattern continues. Kuhaon ta ang values ng n, a sub 1, ng common difference, tapos i-substitute sa formula. So since we are aftering for the 20th term, the value of your n is 20, while your a sub 1 is 2, and common difference is also 2. So a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times the common difference. Your value of n is 20, so it will become a sub 20 is equal to 2, your a sub 1, plus the quantity 20 minus 1 times 2, which is the common difference. That is equal to 2 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 times 2, that is 38 plus 2, that is equal to 40. So therefore, the 20th term of the given sequence is 40. Another example is, find the 14th term of the arithmetic sequence 4, 7, 10, 13. Same process pa rin tayo. So get the values of your n, a sub 1, and d. Then substitute sa formula. So in our example, your n is 14, your a sub 1 is 4, and the common difference is 3. So, magiging a sub 14 is equal to 4 plus the quantity 14 minus 1 times 3. So, that is equal to 4 plus 14 minus 1 is 13 times 3, that is 39, plus 4 is 43. Therefore, the 14th term of the arithmetic sequence 4, 7, 10, 13 is 43. Next topic is about arithmetic means. Nano ang ibig sabihin sa arithmetic means? How about arithmetic extremes? Ang una ngan orhi na term sa sequence, mao iton ang aton ginsusugad na arithmetic extremes. Samantala, ang term sabot nga sa first ngan sa last term, mao iton ang ginsusugad ta na arithmetic means. In the sequence 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24, the terms 4 and 24 are the arithmetic extremes, while 8, 12, 16, and 20 are the arithmetic means. Also, 8 is the arithmetic mean of the arithmetic extremes 4 and 12. Para mas maintindihan ta ang topic, let's have first an example. Insert 3 arithmetic means between 8 and 16. First step, kailangan tamon identify ang value na a sub 1, kumpara tanan ka term ngan ang value sa last term. Sunod, kuhaon ta ang value sa common difference. How? Papano ta kukuhaon ang common difference? By using the formula in finding the common difference, which is d is equal to a sub n minus a sub k over n minus k. So in our example, our last term is 16, our first term is 8. So that is 16 minus 8 is equal to 8, 5 minus 1 is 4, 8 divided by 4 is 2. Therefore, the common difference is 2. Third step, para makuha si a sub 2, just simply add the value of your a sub 1 plus the common difference, which is equivalent to 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Next, how are you going to find your a sub 3? That is equivalent to a sub 2 plus d, which is equivalent to 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. How about your a sub 4? Just simply add the value of your a sub 3 plus d, which is 12 and 2. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Thus, the three arithmetic means between the arithmetic extremes 8 and 16 are 10, 12, and 14. Insert 2 arithmetic means between the square root of 2 and 4 the square root of 2. So, same process pa rin tayo. So, first step, we are going to identify your a sub n, your a sub 1, and the common difference. So, ang aton a sub 1, the square root of 2. Since we are going to insert 2 arithmetic means, magkakayong kita sa a sub 4, upat na arithmetic term. So, the value of your a sub 4 is 4 the square root of 2. B, find the value of your d. Same process pa rin tayo. Kung ano yung formula na ginamit natin sa unang example, ganun pa din ang gagamitin natin sa second example. So, by substituting the value of your a sub n, your a sub k, your n, and your k, you will arrive on the answer 2. So, same process. Paano ta makuha sa a sub 2? A sub 1 plus uncommon difference. So, the square root of 2 plus the square root of 2 is equal to 2 the square root of 2. Next, how are we going to find your a sub 3? A sub 2 plus the common difference. 2 the square root of 2 plus the square root of 2 is equal to 3 the square root of 2. Thus, the two arithmetic means between the square root of 2 and 4 the square root of 2 are 2 the square root of 2 and 3 the square root of 2. Next, let's have first an activity. On your answer sheet, answer the following questions, write the problem, and show your complete solution. So for letter A, you are going to determine the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. So you have there 5. For activity letter B, we have her 5 items. So you are going to insert the specified number of arithmetic means between the given arithmetic extremes. Good job, everyone! We are now done with Quarter 1, Module 3. I hope you learned something from our lesson. Thank you for watching Math Legend channel. Don't forget to like and share. This is your host, Teacher Maria Lynn. See you in my next video presentation. Stay safe, God bless everyone, and enjoy our new mode of learning.
Legendary!